My good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. And this now me don't call your screen with breaking news, me don't call your domot with another legit intel on the things and things where they go on for inside the green country, will be Nigeria. And the cocoa now be say the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra will be Nnamdi Kanu. Last this man now don't oppose the request by the federal government for the resumption of his trial. Oga Nnamdi Kanu no want make the federal government resume this trial at all. And in the even dey yarn sef say the trial judge will be Justice Binta Nyako must comot body from this case. She must wash her hand comot for the matter, if not the trial no go continue. The person wey let tori people know about this level so na one countryman wey dey go by the name RI0US. I na the lead counsel of Nnamdi Kanu. This man carry everything like this. This man carried the things and things wey Oga Nnamdi Kanu talk, go post am for his official social media handle for the popular social media platform wey we know as X. And like this now, Emma good people, no be small gbas wey don enter this Nnamdi Kanu case. As we all know, the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, wey be Nnamdi Kanu, currently is being prosecuted on 7 counts of alleged treasonable felony and terrorism. Nnamdi Kanu was rearrested in Kenya for inside the year 2021. Before Baba go look left, look right, they don't send and come back to a green country will be Nigeria, making him face the charges with the federal government they don't plaster against her. But last Nnamdi Kanu plead not guilty to all the charges them. And for inside the last court section we happened on the 24th day of September for inside the year 2024, Nnamdi Kanu been drop request, and that request now say make Justice Binta Nyako comot body from this in case so. And in the yarn say make she comot body for him matter sake of say he don't lose confidence in her handling of this case. He no trust the way she take dey handle the matter. Last Justice Binta Nyako can agree say she go comot body from this case so, say she go wash her hand comot totally. She can forward the case file go give the chief judge of the Federal High Court for reassignment. But however, my good people, after the chief judge now don't torchlight the matter, he now can return the case back to Justice Binta Nyako. And according to the chief judge, the reason why he return am back to Justice Binta Nyako na sake of say the 2 other judges wey be don handle Nnamdi Kanu matter, they no waste time comot body from the case. But you see, Justice Binta Nyako, she don't handle am well, and you don't tell where she don't handle the matter. So the chief judge now can feel as if now she be the best judge to conclude the matter, to close the case. But the chief judge still instructs Nnamdi Kanu, will be the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, say if he still wants make Justice Binta Nyako step down for this matter so, he must file a formal motion with an affidavit, and he gats give reasons why he no want make Justice Binta Nyako continue for this in case, and he must serve am on the prosecution, and he go await Justice Binta Nyako determination. But despite this directive so, the federal government, their counsel where they go by the name Adegboyega Awomolo, on the 5th day of December for inside the year 2024, this man now can arrange one letter like that, and he can address am to the Deputy Chief Registrar of the Federal High Court. And details of this letter be say in the request a new trial date. You know, say Oga Awomolo will be the counsel of the federal government, they argue say the chief judge decision they plastered Justice Binta Nyako as the trial judge. But however, good people, the counsel of Nnamdi Kanu will be RI0US, he now can counter the letter. He now can write his own letter, and for that letter now in they reject the request, and he can they argue say Justice Binta Nyako decision to comot body from this case was still valid and binding. According to how they write am for inside in letter, he said their position is very much based on the fact say Justice Binta Nyako entered and enrolled an order to wash her hand comot on the 24th day of September for inside the year 2024. And to date, that order still dey plaster, that order remains subsisting because no competent court don set aside the order. Then RI0US constantly proceed further, they go accuse the prosecution of attempting to mislead the court. He now can they insist say Nnamdi Kanu no longer has a case before Justice Binta Nyako. And no be lie, my good people, no be small thing wey happen for inside the trial court on the 24th day of September for inside the year 2024. No say as things don dey go on now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come as if dey choke am, no fit breathe. The thing now don too tire am. The case now e don too linger. Na why he come dey demand for the withdrawal of Justice Peter Nyako from this case so. And he even shout give him lawyer wey be Aloy Ejimako. As he shout for the man, he come dey speak for himself. He come dey yarn say he no trust the trial judge again o, because he dey feel as if the trial judge is being biased. She dey play ojoro for her rulings. And based on say he no get confidence in her again, based on say he no trust her judgment again, that na why he want make Justice Peter Nyako remove herself from him matter. He say he understand am if the Department of State Services refuse to obey a court order, but he no understand why a trial court go refuse to obey an order of the Supreme Court. That kind of levels normal, e no make sense at all at all. As Mazi Nnamdi Kanu yarn all these levels finish, normally the prosecution counsel wey be Awomolo, he na come dey argue say make Justice Peter Nyako no mind Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, say she no dey disobey any Supreme Court order, make she continue with the case. As Oga Awomolo yarn this level finish sharply, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu stand up dey wave a copy of a document wey dey for him hand, and he dey yarn say that copy of document na copy of the subsisting judgment of the Supreme Court. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come read some of wetin dem write for the document, and wetin he read be say if the trial judge still dey continue with the case, that means that trial judge is corrupt, is a suspect. Then after every Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come dey explain, dey give the trial judge wey be Justice Peter Nyako, say why he want make him comot body for this case. No be say na personal something, no be say he hate her or something like that. No, it's just that she don disobey the Supreme Court ruling, and that kind of levels normal, it no make sense at all at all. And the trial itself don't even dey tire am. He's now fed up with everything. And according to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the trial was not in line with constitutional provisions. So as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu yarn all these levels finish, and Justice Peter Nyako be dey lis ten, she come kukuma declare say she dey hereby wash her hand, comot her body from this particular case, and she go arrange the case file, send am back to the chief judge. This, my good people, na how Mazi Nnamdi Kanu last court case dey play out for inside the trial court on the 24th day of September for inside the year 2024. And this, my good people, na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they like give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like the info and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to our channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we come with more news, now you go first receive the update and you even get them sharp. May they call your side again with another legit intel for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.